Hi everybody, welcome. Today, we are drawing Hello Kitty. We start by drawing a circle. It is Four's head, now an ear. And now we draw the eyes and the nose. Very nice. And we put the mustaches on it. If you are liking this video, you can subscribe and like. We finished the body. And now we are going to make a flower. We erase a little, and we are making the petals. We finished the flower. And now, you just have to paint it. See you on the next video. Bye.